Hello everyone, I am the human computer. Who am I? I am Shakuntala Devi. I was born on 4th November 1929 in Bengaluru to an Orthodox family. My father, Mr. Sundararaj Rao, discovered my ability to memorize numbers when I learned a card trick from him at the age of 3. Soon after, my father started taking me for road shows to display my ability to calculate. In 1944, I moved to London and then travelled around the world demonstrating my arithmetic talents. In 1997, I was asked to get the 23rd square root of 201-digit number at the Southern Methodist University in Dallas, which I solved within 50 seconds. On 18th June 1980, I correctly demonstrated the multiplication of two 13-digit numbers within 28 seconds. This event was later recorded in the 1982 Guinness World Records. Thank you.